Hi, I am CA AKS Krishnan. So in this video we are going to see stress and stress management. See, there are various levels and types of stress, and we should understand the root cause of stress. So now when we compare ourselves like 6 years back, whether we are having or whether we are experiencing something called stress. 6 years back also students had examination. In the school level they had examination. In fact, you are studying more than what you are studying today. But that time you have not experienced the stress. Today you are experiencing the stress. See, for example, if you ask your father, his reason for stress is totally different. For example, most of the parents who are earning members, they think only for the husband, if he goes for earning, he can say that no, I am having the stress. But actually, if the mom is a homemaker, she is also having her own types of stress. Then if you start analyzing for a student, he is also having stress. So father stress is a financial reason or no office work. Mother stress is something different and the student stress is something different, but everyone is having stress. So if we analyze the root cause of stress, stress means you want to achieve something, you want to do something, but you are unable to do that. Something is restricting you to do that. Some external factor which is not in your hands, which is uncontrollable, which is happening externally, which is stopping you from achieving something. That is the reason for stress. For example, simple I am giving example. I want to reach my office on time, but some traffic jam happens which is totally not expected, because every day I am traveling in the road the same way. Generally there won't be traffic jam in that area, but suddenly due to some lorry breakdown or something, there is some traffic jam. Now I am not able to reach my office on time. The stress level will start increasing when I am now in the traffic, that too in the hot sun. Okay, so it's no, everyone is getting agitated, like no, it starts something happening, some hormones start secreting. That is the reason for stress. So you will even start sweating when you are in stress. Sometimes even people will sweat even in the AC room because of stress. Now what is the stress? It's not in my control, which is happening, which is stopping me from achieving my goal. So some restriction. So stress means something which is restricting. That's all. Now what is the medicine? How to come out? Always have positive and a plan B. For example, if everything happens normally, I will reach my office on time. If something is happening and if I am not reaching office on time, yes, I am not reaching office on time. Just accept, okay, today traffic jam. Be cool. Shift your timing from 10 to 10:15 or 10:20. So I should tell myself that Krishnan, you cannot reach your office on time today. So let you be cool. Let the things happen by itself. Let you go to office say at 10:15 or 10:20, and if at all someone is going to question you, let them question. Cool. Now the thing is, you have to accept the fact and you tell your mind, okay, easy. Okay, please don't try to control all external things which is not in your control. You also know that. If you want to start controlling everyone, for example, mom, why she is having stress. Mom thinks nowadays the child is not behaving in the manner she thinks. Ayo em paiyan. Okay, like no, ayo, what is my child's future? Okay, for example, everything it's not in your control. because they are also exposed to the external factor. You cannot control them 100%. So this will happen. You should accept it. Start accepting it. For example, if an industry is running in a very high turnover, suddenly due to some reason some problem comes, the MD should not feel stress. Business itself has risk. That risk came today. Accept it. Try to come out of it. Everyone know that it may happen, it may not happen. Everything has probability. Nowhere we can say the probability is 1. Everywhere it's less than 1 only. It may happen, it may not happen. It may happen, it may not happen. It may happen after some time. We cannot say it will never happen. It may happen after some time. Can you able to understand? Everything will fall in place. First of all, you don't think everything should happen in the way I think. This only will start giving stress. Accept things just like that whenever it comes. Okay, don't try to control everything. Don't plan everything, and don't plan for every day. You don't plan like next 1 week, today morning, tomorrow morning, day after tomorrow morning. Every morning to evening, if you start planning, it won't happen in that way. It will give you stress. Okay, so accept and live with it. You can come out of stress. Once you come out of stress, you will be happy. Once you are happy, your thought process is beautiful. Once your thought process is beautiful, everything will fall in place. Please understand. I will repeat. Come out of stress. Accept things just like that. Come out of stress, you start feeling happiness. Once you are happy, your thought process will be clean. Once your thought process is clean, everything will come and fall in place. Okay, so do this. If you are wasting time, and if you think you are wasting time, you should start working. If you start working but something is not allowing you to work properly, for example, I want to study for 10 hours but I am not able to study because this person comes, that relative comes, etc. Okay, leave it. Till yesterday you are wasting time. No, today at least you started studying. Happy about it. Okay, if it is not happening today also, tomorrow it will happen. Don't worry, accept it. Understood? Enjoy the life without stress. Bye.